Hello radio and welcome to the broadcast day. This is Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada. We are ready to do CB Radio Videogate. We are ready to do CB Radio Videogate. We are going to QSY to 27335, QSY 335 for possible Videogate contact, and we go.
The pass though before Hero 2.
Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada, CB Radio Videogate.
World Radio 0277 Kentucky, we have a comment on you.
World Radio, this is Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada, Videogate.
Roger that, Newfoundland, Canada, 02 Tango Charlie. World Radio 0277, we're in Kentucky.
Roger, World Radio. Did we get the numbers right? 0277. Say again, 0277.
Roger that, I'm in Division 2.
Roger, World Radio. Appreciate QSY to this frequency and participating in the Videogate. The personal here is Andy, Alpha November Delta Yankee, and we're coming out of a community on the west coast of Newfoundland called St. George's. Back to you.
Roger that. Good copy on that. I'm in Kentucky. My first person with Alpha Lima. I'm in the extreme western part of Kentucky where the Ohio and Mississippi River meet.
Roger on that. Certainly appreciate the information, Al, in the extreme section of Kentucky, next to the Ohio border. Conditions are really good at this time, Al, and we're going to try to continue this Videogate for a while longer.
Roger that. I've been to Gander this one, but that was cold.
Roger, there are parts of Canada that certainly do get cold. Where I am too, we have more of a moderate climate. We have all the seasons. We have spring, summer, winter, and fall. So we have some nice warm days in summer, and we get some cold days in winter.
Roger that. All right, I'm going to cut you loose here. I've got matters I got to take care of. 73 has been a great conversation with you. Have a great day, Andy. World Radio 0277, clear on your file.
Roger, Al. Just want to let you know the Videogate will be up on my YouTube channel. YouTube channel name is Andy Tobin. Say again, YouTube name is Andy Tobin. You can have a look at our conversation here if you get access to internet, sir. Thank you for the contact. To World Radio 0277 in Kentucky, Al. We appreciate the contact, sir. 9 Tango Charlie 02, and we're off the key.